Flat Earthers only attack it in hopes of discrediting astronomy and mainstream science in general. But their attack doesn't make any sense. Another argument I've heard is that if the Earth were spinning at 1,000 miles per hour, everything would be flung off of it. The actual concept in physics here is called the centrifugal effect. The law of inertia states that objects require the exertion of force for their velocity to change. If they're moving, this means they will continue in a straight line until forced otherwise. The centrifugal effect is what inertia looks like in a spinning frame of reference. The straight line velocity of an object in this frame of reference tries to pull it out of the circle along a tangent. If the force is exerted inward to keep the object following the circle, it's called a centripetal force. Gravity is the Earth's centripetal force. 1,000 miles per hour sounds fast until you realize how far we are from the center of that circular motion. It takes 24 hours to make one rotation. In angular speed, that's 0.0007 rounds per minute. Try playing a phonograph record at that speed.
Playing in Texas looking.
Am I right or am I wrong?
What this means is that despite the enormous linear speed, a straight line tangent to this circle would take a long time to reach a noticeable distance from the circle. If you jumped off a building and fell for 10 seconds, you would have fallen 1,600 feet. By contrast, if Earth's gravity magically vanished and everything started falling upward from the centrifugal effect, in the same 10 seconds, you would only travel 5 feet. Basically, the centrifugal effect on Earth is very slight compared to gravity. The downward acceleration we feel, measured at 9.8 meters per second, is actually the difference between these centrifugal and centripetal forces. If they were equal, we would be in orbit around the Earth like the Moon or the International Space Station, not accelerating inward or outward, but following a circle. When the centrifugal effect becomes great enough to fling something away from the Earth, this is called escape velocity. And no, on the surface of the Earth, 1,000 miles per hour is nowhere near escape velocity.